Zero, it's the most famous words in motorsports. Gentlemen, start your engines. And then you know what happens. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's count them down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Gentlemen, start your engine. All right, Dinwiddie, who's ready to start the best trick? Our first one is a guy that is not afraid to get a little stupid from Deltona, Florida. This is Matt Pagliarulo in Chester. What did you think of the Chester? Well, we are not done, not by a long shot. Coming up next, the hotshot rookie from the state of North Carolina. This is Michael Hicks, coming out of the world's largest ATV, Quad Chaos. Dinwiddie, what'd you think of the Quad Chaos? Starting off with a bang, a nice big jump. I think that's going to be enough for the leader. But we are not done, not by a long shot. Now it's time to meet the Onion Harvester from Culpeper, Virginia. This is Brandon Budd in the Buckshot. Getting a good RII test back in the pits. That's the device that actually lets the track crew shut the trucks off at any point in time during the race tonight if they deem it necessary. It's a safety feature that every truck has to have that runs with the Monster Truck Throwdown, and it's tested every time the truck runs. And it looks like Buckshot having a little bit of trouble with the RII. They're going to fix it, but we are going to go with our next truck. The guy that's been around a long time with the awesome square body Chevy. This is Tim Mente in Storm Damage. What did you think of the Storm Damage? But coming up next, this guy took your racing win last night. Came up just short in freestyle. He wants to try to take home best trick tonight. The guy from Atlanta, Georgia, in the awesome looking Chevy. This is John Gordon in Bad Company. Trying a two-wheel skill, didn't quite work out, but still a good try nonetheless. What'd you think of Bad Company? And now for the first time out on the track tonight, the crew had to work to fix the steering, but they got it. Give a welcome to Gerald Beck and the Dirt Crew. What did you think of the dirt crew? But we are not done yet. Do you want more, Dinwiddie? The next truck coming out was your winner in freestyle last night. He was missing part of the body earlier. That guy drove on the ragged edge, getting all sorts of big air. Let's see what he can do here tonight. This is Nick Pagliarulo, second generation driver in the Kraken. What'd you think of the Kraken heading back to the pits? Very nice slap wheelie. But we still have a couple trucks left to go. They got the RII fixed, so let's see what Brandon Budd can do. Please welcome the Buckshot. Ladies and gentlemen, what did you think of the Buckshot? What a job showing the skill and power of that big Chevy. That might be enough for the lead, but do you want one more? Doing the driving from Bethesda, Maryland, this is Corey Snyder in the big Ford Toxic. Dinwiddie, what did you think of the Toxic? And now, talking to the judges, it sounded like the most applause of the night went to the hometown guy, Brandon Budd in the buckshot. That is your winner in Best Trick. We're going to get a word with Brandon here momentarily. Doing one heck of a job on those concrete blocks, standing it up on the nose and walking it backwards. We like to call that a moonwalk. Brandon, pretty good birthday present for your little boy Waylon, win Best Trick right off the bat.
Man, I'll tell you what, I got the whole family with me this weekend. My grandmother's out there, she only comes once a year. Man, this is for the whole family. Happy birthday, Waylon.
Man, that was awesome. Not only for your kid, but this whole crowd got a treat. Doing a picture-perfect sky wheelie, then setting it back and riding it on the front two wheels, showing you that this old dog can learn some new tricks.
Oh yeah, man, that new chassis, man, it's working good for us. We finally got it figured out. I feel comfortable in it. It's on.
He said it's on. You guys want to see him sweep the whole night? That was your winner in Best Trick, Brandon Budd in the buckshot.